Okay, so I finished the outside of my shed. I had a bit of a vision for it, and I think it's come up a treat. But to be honest, I didn't think much about the inside and the storage component. So I kind of threw everything in there. I'm not going to show you what's in there at the moment, but so I've decided now's probably the time in lockdown to kind of do something about it. And the guys at Pinnacle have been nice enough to send me some product, which I'm going to put together. And I'll do a couple of before and after photos, but hopefully the inside ends up looking just as good as the outside. So let's see how we go. Okay, you ready for the reveal? This is actually pretty cool. Check this out. Have a look at this. I cannot believe how good it is. I've actually had a lot of fun doing it as well, which has been awesome. And I think I've just realised that I may have OCD. I mean, I've got all my garden tools obviously, and I mean, check out how neat and tidy all this is. I mean, this stuff was just loose in my toolbox, and now have a look at it. I've got a workbench, which I've never had, which is great, and even these, I've given new life to these old tools that were actually my wife's grandfather. He gave to me before he passed away, so that's really nice too. A little sentiment of every time I open the shed now, I can see those old tools that he used to use. And yeah, I just can't believe how good it is. How cool.